Welcome to Reservity Tutorials. In this episode, we will show you how to set up seasonal prices for your rental products. Seasonal prices allows you to create flexible pricing rules based on specific dates, quantities, booking periods, products, and customer conditions. This feature is ideal for businesses that want to automatically adjust pricing during peak seasons, holidays, promotional periods, and extended bookings. In this setup, administrators can define when the pricing rule should apply, whether the adjustment is an additional charge or a discount, and how the prices should be calculated. You can also limit rules by product category, parent product, quantity ranges, booking durations, minimum order value, or user groups. In this tutorial, we will use rental trailers as an example to demonstrate how seasonal pricing works. Imagine that demand for the trailer rentals increases significantly during the 4th of July holiday weekend. To maximize revenues during this busy period, you may want to automatically increase the rental price of all trailers by 25%. In order to do that, we need to log into our rental dashboard, click on View Admin. Once you are on the dashboard, click on Settings, then click on Date Ranges. On the Date Range section, we need to create a date range for the 4th of July weekend. To do that, click on Add New Date Range. Name your date range. We will name it 4th of July weekend. Then we need to select the date range type. We will select dates exact no repeat because we don't want this increase repeat every year. We want to apply it only for this year. Now let's set the start date. So the start date will be 4th of July. Go ahead and select 4th of July from the calendar. 4th of July will be Saturday. Now let's select the end date. Click on the end date section and go to the calendar and pick your dates. Since it says 4th of July weekend, we will select 4th and 5th since it will be Saturday and Sunday. And we will end the price increase on 6th of July, which will be on Monday. So we will select 6th of July. Then click on Publish. Once you publish the new date range, go ahead and click on Settings again. Then go to the Rentals. Click on Rentals. Scroll down and find the section that says Advanced Dates, or you can pick the Advanced Dates from the sidebar here. Click on the Advanced Dates. Find the section that says Seasonal Quantity Pricing, General, and Pricing per Period. Now let's increase the pricing for all trailers for the 4th of July weekend. Click on the Add Global Seasonal Pricing. It will create a new empty row with several fields. The first column will say date. So click on the field here and select the date range you created earlier, which is the 4th of July weekend. Click on it. Now the date range is selected. And we will skip these two sections here. Let's focus on the product category column. In this column, you can apply the seasonal pricing per specific category. Since we want to apply seasonal pricing for all categories and products, we will leave category and product sections as they are, empty. We won't select any category or a product, and we won't select parent product, and we won't select quantity, max quantity, etc. We will skip those. We will leave the price calculation as it is. Now, the most important part is the increase and decrease column here. If we want to increase the price, we will put plus. Then we will write the percentage. Since we want to increase 25%, we will type here 25%. Then we will pick a period for seasonal pricing increase. We want to apply 25% increase for the daily rentals. So we will put 1D, which is the abbreviation of 1 day. And you can set other settings as well. For example, max period from start, minimum period of days, maximum period of days, minimum order value, and user groups. Let's now focus on user group. If you want to apply increase for specific group of users, you will select users from this bar here. Since we didn't set any user groups, we won't apply it here. So we will skip these sections. But when you click on this question mark here, each section is nicely described and you can learn what they are about and how to set them up. For now, we will skip these sections. We will go up and click on Update. Now let's check whether our settings works on our rental website. Go to your rental website. On the website, select any of the trailers. Let's say we want to select Keystone Premier. Click on it. As you can see, regular pricing for the daily rentals is $155. Now let's select the 4th of July weekend to see the price increase. click on the calendar icon, go to the July, and pick 4th of July. As you can see, one-day rental pricing for this trailer on the 4th of July weekend is $193.75 because we applied 25% increase for that period. And you may ask, what if the person wants to rent a trailer between 4th of July and 8th of July? And that's fine if they want to select until 8th of July. After the 5th of July, the pricing will change back to the original pricing, which is $155. As you can see, the final total is automatically calculated. Now the final total is $697.50 for the 4 days. So far we have demonstrated how to increase prices by 25% using seasonal pricing rules. You can easily adjust the percentage amount to match your pricing strategy. For example, you may choose to increase prices by 10%, 15%, 30%, or any other percentage during the high demand periods. Next, let's look at how to decrease prices by percentage. This is useful for offering seasonal discounts, promotional pricing, off-season specials, or limited time sales to attract more bookings during the slower periods. The seasonal pricing system also allows you to work with fixed dollar amounts instead of percentages. This means you can add fixed amount to regular rental price. For example, add $10 to all trailer rentals during a holiday weekend, or you can discount $5 from regular prices during slower business periods. These pricing adjustments can be fully customized based on your business goals, seasonal demands, and promotional strategies. Simply change the percentage or dollar amount values to create exact pricing rules. To demonstrate these settings, let's go back to the dashboard and go ahead and click on Settings. Click on Date Ranges. Here we will create 3 date ranges for the demo purposes. Let's go ahead and click on Add New Date Range. Let's say we want to drop the prices 20% between July 10th and July 15th. So we will name the date range July 10th and July 15th. And date range type will be dates, exact no repeat. And start date will be July 10th and end date will be July 15th. And here we need to mention that if you want to include 15th, you have to pick 16th. In this case, we want to include 15th as well, so we will select 16th. Then go ahead and click on Publish. Now let's create another date range for the dollar amounts. Let's say we want to increase daily price by $10 between 28th and 30th of May. So we will name it May 28th and May 30. Starting day will be May 28th and end date will be May 30th. So we don't want to include May 30. So we will select May 30 here. Then we will click on Publish. We will click on Add New Date Range. Name our date range. It will be June 5th and June 10th. Range type will be dates, exact no repeat, and starting date will be June 5th and end date will be June 10th. We want to include 10th as well, so we will pick June 11th. Then we will click on Publish. As you can see, we created 3 date ranges. Now let's go back to the settings again. Click on Rentals, click on Advanced Dates, and find the section that says Seasonal Pricing General and Pricing per Period. Click on Add Global Seasonal Pricing. Now let's select our first date range, which is July 10th and 15th. In this date range, we want to decrease the prices by 20%. So we will put minus 20% to the increase and decrease column. Then we will set the rental period. We want to decrease 20% per day. So we will write here 1D. Now let's implement the other 2 date ranges. Click on Add Global Seasonal Pricing again. Now let's select other date range, which is May 28th and May 30th. And in this date range, we want to increase the prices by $10. So we will put here plus 10 and don't put any percentage mark here. And we will set period, which is 1D. And finally, let's add the last date range, which is June 5th and June 10th. And let's say we want to decrease the prices in this date range by $5. So we will put here minus 5. Then we will write the period 1D. Then go up and click on update. Now let's confirm that our settings works. Go back to your rental website. In this page you can select any of these trailers. For the consistency, we will select Keystone Premier again. Click on the product. Now let's select our dates. Let's start with the first one. We implemented 20% drop between July 10th and 15th. So let's click on the calendar icon, go to the July and pick July 10th. As you can see, the price dropped $120 per day from $155 per day. That means our setting works. Now let's confirm the other two settings. Click on the calendar icon again. We implemented $10 increase per day between May 28th and May 30th. So we will click on May 28th. As you can see, our pricing is $165 per day, which is $10 increase from $155 per day. Now let's select the last setting. Click on reset and click on the calendar icon again. And our last setting includes June 5th and June 10th. So we will click on the calendar icon again and select June 5th. As you can see, our price is $150 per day, which is $5 discount from $155. So that means our settings works, and that completes our tutorial. Thank you for your attention, and we will see you in the next tutorials.